Everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved it, then just keep on watching. And I also wanted to announce the giveaway winner for the month of June. So the winner is Taryn Alexander. Definitely check your DM here on YouTube because we will be sliding into your DM to get your address and all your information. So congratulations to Taryn, and if you want to be entered in this month's giveaway, the month of July, then make sure that you turn your post notifications on, make sure that you like this video, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, and then make sure that you live in the US. Turn your post notifications on and then comment done down below. So jumping into the tutorial, I just primed my eyes with some Too Faced concealer, and then the palette that I went in with is the Dose of Colors Blushing Berries palette. Do not mind how dirty it is. Oh my gosh, I probably should have cleaned it a little bit more. But yeah, this is the palette that I used. I use this palette very often, as you guys can tell. And yeah, I really think that this palette is perfect for just creating any type of look because it's just all the matte shades that you need for a nice crease. And you can go with a more neutral crease, or you could do a more cranberry crease. But today I decided to go in with a little bit more of a neutral crease. So I went in with that first pale pink shade and I just put that in my crease, going in back and forth motions as my transition shade. And then I went into the second shade in the palette, which is a little bit deeper, and I took a defined angled brush and I just wanted to add some definition into my crease, a little bit above my actual crease. And then I went back into that first shade that we used as our transition shade, which is this pale pink shade right here. And then I just went over that line that we created and I just buffed everything out to make sure that it is nice and blended. And even though this look looks very dramatic and it looks like I used a lot of products to create it, I only used 2 eyeshadows and then this glitter liner from Dose of Colors. So this is the glitter liner that I chose to create my wing. So I used the Dose of Colors Minnie Mouse collection and I used the shade Dazzling, and I just put that where I would just put my regular liquid liner. And you have to be really careful when you apply it because you don't want to apply too much glitter to your actual lashes, because then when you go in with mascara it's going to look really chunky. So that's just a disclaimer on that. But yeah, I really loved this glitter as a liner. I feel like it looks super fancy. And for lashes, I went in with my Sophie Bella lashes in the style Bora Bora. And I really loved how these lashes turned out with this look. And we are having a 4th of July sale on our website, so definitely go to shopsophiebella.com. If you guys have been wanting to try our lashes, this is the perfect time because we have a 20% off discount code. Just go to the website shopsophiebella.com and you'll see it on the main banner, so definitely check that out. And we appreciate all of you that support our lash brand as well because it does help us. So yeah, so then I went in with the first shade that we used and I just put that all over my lower lashes, mainly focusing it on the outer corner. And then the last thing that I did was I just applied some lower lash mascara, and I like to separate my lower lashes with my fingers after I apply the mascara just so that it doesn't look as chunky or messy. But yeah, this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button, and then if you live in the US, don't forget to comment done so that you guys can have a chance to win a big box of makeup. As if you guys don't know, then we do a big giveaway at the end of each month, so definitely you do not want to miss out on that. If you live in the US, definitely do all the things necessary to enter the giveaways. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye!